Hello, welcome back to my channel, The Study Hustle. Yes, so currently it is 6:30 and now I'll be starting studying because I came from school at 12:30 around, but then I did not study because I have 4 days for preparation, including the day today. Oh, yes, I forgot. I have 5 days in total. Anyways, but still we are going to start studying today only. To be honest, I was going to start studying before at 5 o'clock, but then I slept for a little too long. And yes, now it's 6:30, so let's start. I'll update you on what I'm doing because I myself have not fixed it. So yeah. Then I started making my to-do list for the science 5 days preparation, and yes, I just did that and I started studying. So first physics, then chem, then bio, then question practice, and then revision of what I did not understand in like sample papers. Yes, so I started studying. I first wrote down all the chapters of physics, and then I started with making a and then I started with magnetic effects of current. I revised my notes from that small notebook which I have, and then the next day I read the NCRT. So at this day I just did this much because I feel a regret, but then that's fine, I'll cover up. So yes, I was just reading that. It did take a lot of time, to be honest, but yes, the notes are a little shorter. And then it is the next day, which was 4:11 a.m. I somehow got myself up. I was still very tired, I was very sleepy, but then I had to study. I read the NCRT of magnetic effects this day, and in the morning I did only that. Human eye I started, but I did not complete it. I did very little. Then I had to go to my school. It was a revision day for us. Half of the time we did practice for sports day. Tomorrow is Saturday, which is my sports day, and I'll be half of the time there till 1:30. So I cannot study till then, so I guess I'll wake up again in the early morning. So yes, I studied and then I went to the school, and these are the clips after I came from my school.
Okay, so hi, this is the not the next day, this is the afternoon and evening almost. It is currently 4:52. I'll be starting to study at 5 o'clock exact, and I'll start with electricity. Okay, so there is a changing plan, and I was going to complete my physics yesterday, but I did not. So today I'll be doing physics, tomorrow bio maybe, or chem, okay, and then day after tomorrow bio, and then after that, then I'll solve sample papers in the morning, and in the afternoon I'll revise all the topics which were weak from the sample papers from here. So yes, let's get started. I'm sleepy, but anyways.
So I completed the topics of human eye, which I did not do. Then I started with revising chapter electricity from my notes which I made long back, and there are very few chapters which I have made notes of, otherwise I haven't. But I feel like I should again make notes. Let's see, if we get time we'll make that. And yes, I was just revising it. It is, to be honest, it is hard for me to keep definitions remembered. So electricity for me is a hard chapter to remember the definitions, but still I'll read every day, and so I'll get thorough with it. Now also I have forgot many of them, but anyways, doesn't matter. Then here was my anchoring script for tomorrow's sports day. Then it was 8:30 when I started our environment. I thought of studying bio because I wasn't in mood of studying chem and physics. तो मैंने bio किया पूरा chapter. I had some doubts which the next day I asked to my friend because my teacher did not come in our class. And yes, so I just completed this chapter. First I was going to watch a lecture, but then बहुत ज़्यादा easy chapter है, so I was like, I'll just read the NCRT and understand by myself. So after that I was going to do heredity, which is also a very small chapter, and then only I slept. So now I'll be doing heredity. Then I started with heredity. The time was almost 15 minutes to 11, and then I started studying. I read the NCRT, and my goal was to complete this chapter. I was not going to sleep otherwise, and I have read this heredity ka NCRT a lot of times, many times. So yes, now I'm a little good with this chapter. I also attempted the in-text questions and I was able to do that, so I'm happy. I did not understand one which I asked also. Then I went to sleep after having my dinner. And yes, that's it for today's video. Subscribe to see the next part of science preparation, and that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.